Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, uh, May 25th, 2018. Time now is 1400 hours. That's 2 p.m. I'd like to share with you this information. Just I would like to tell you guys that we have a problem in this map. The map, which is usually they are showing here, it's the earth gets split from this portion, this line, which is not true. The reality, it gets portion from here, because all these portions, they can meet each others in any distance that we would like to put in cruising. But from here to there, it will take thousands of nautical miles. So this line is which been drawn here, it's not clear through, it's deceived. Especially they put it between the two islands, which is Little and Big Diamond Islands. Those two islands, which is not true. This is the little one which belongs to USA, Alaska, and the big one which belongs to Russia. This is not true. The time in splitting here, it's not clear through. They have getting same time with the left side or the right side of Russia, or left side of USA. This one, this portion, the all green portion, it's one portion at the west of the world. At the west of the world, Sam. This all green at the west of the world. And here it starts the east of the world. So this portion is at the west edge of the world, and this is the clear through line which separates this west along with Alaska and those two small islands at the west area, and these the purely right side, or what they call it, east area. And here the proof. We will come back again here. I did little experiment between those two islands, like here Bukhata, which belongs to here, which belongs to Russia, at the over here exactly. It's over here. Those two islands are there, the big and the little Diamond Island. Let's try to refresh it again. Maybe we can get something better. Exactly. So this is belong to Russia. This is belong to Russia. This is the city or the port that I talk about. This is the one, and this is the name here. And I'm going from here to where? To Little Bay in USA, which is at the other side of USA here. And it says up there 5,193 nautical miles. It's okay, accept it, because this is west. This is still west, not east as what they shown us. This is still west. Again, I did another experiment again now with I make that city, which is a constant at Russia, to port of Tokashi. Tokashi, it's belong to Japan, I guess. Let's see it here. From here, then it has to cut directly, come over here. But this is not true. What's happening here, that it goes from west to the east. Again, we will go to that portion, the same one, which is, this is the one. Look to that line, which I believe it's true line, real line, which splits east and west. This is west, this is east. So it goes from here to all the way to the east. All the way to the east, which is here. It seems logic. Now this is the third example which clearly say it all. This is the same city that we are talking about always. The same city, just I'm zooming in order to know exactly what's going on. Yeah, I guess we got it here. This is the two cities that we are talking about, the same cities over here. This is the one. I may do more zoom. This is the one, and it goes to the same Russian country's city, which is here. Still, they need more than 20,000 nautical miles. 20,000 nautical miles. If it comes from here, then just shortcut to here, it will not go more than say 1,000 mile, 1,000 nautical mile, but it needs more than 20,000 nautical miles. This is purely crazy. This is purely crazy. I cannot understand that. This island is St. Lawrence Island. It's at the west of the world. West of the world. Here, the Bering Sea. This the diamond, little diamond and big diamond. But here, the city that we have to go to there, Anadyr in Russia. And this is the last example I took also, which proves that this city, the first one, which I already make it a constant, then I start to move in everywhere in the world. It's proven that it is at the west of the world, not at the east of the world. So from there to Nome at Alaska, this is the one that we're talking about. This is Alaska. This is what they used to say, the eastern part of Russia, which is wrong. It's the western part of the Russia. There is only 257 nautical miles between both of them. This is Nome, and this is the one, that the same one that we are always taking it. Just to say to you guys that we have little portion from Russia at the west. So when they came from east to occupy that west area, region, they took Alaska with that portion. Then they sell Alaska to America, and they kept this one for them at the west of the world. This is what I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you will be getting informed about this information, that this portion is at the west of the world, not the east of the world. It's at the west of the world. This is again the St. Lawrence Island. This is, they call it at the eastern part of Russia, which is actually it's western part of Russia, because it's at the west of the world. This is the Diamond Island, and this is Alaska. This is Alaska. This is Nome, what we are talking about, Nome, where we used to say from Nome to that city here to here. Yeah, this is the one. So it has only 257 nautical miles. Imagine all that from here to here. It's only 257 nautical miles. But from here to there, it's more than 20,000 nautical miles. Guess what's that? That portion is purely at the west of the world, not east of the world. Thank you very much. Credit for Flat Earth Organization, Saleh Al Wahdi. Bye.